I don't like forcing the blade at all, and we're just about done there. Give it a little more oil. Now, if it doesn't work right away, you can switch the switch again. There we go. Sometimes it likes to hang up. We're just going to put enough oil on there to lubricate that blade again. And see what happens when it falls off. Just turned itself off. Okay, so we can lift this up out of the way. I do have an old paintbrush that I keep here to brush off the filings, the oil. I then keep a little bit of, I go reach in the trash can from the paper towels, and we can wipe all that off. The clamp is adjustable, but the wheel is right back here, so we're just gonna wheel that back, pull on that. This is ready to come out, and there's our cut right there. Slick as a whistle, just like that. So this is how this Titan industrial horizontal bandsaw is used. And it does have different speeds for different types of steel. And the way that this is adjusted is that you pull the butterfly right here, pull the butterfly, and then you can adjust the pulleys so that you get the different speeds. And that's just very simple how it works. When you're done with the machine, master switch goes to off. That way can't accidentally start itself back up. You can lift this back up. The arm can go back up like that. You can come in and pull that, getting it ready for the next job that you have to do. And you're ready to go. All right. That is the Titan industrial bandsaw.